Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a verification channel for Discord server using Coralbot. By verification I mean that a person can only gain access to the whole server only and only after reacting to a particular emoji. After they react to that emoji, all other channels in the server will be opened for them. So let's start the video. For the tutorial purpose, here I created a test server and added some channels to it and also added a welcome page and posted some rules. Now this is the channel where I want to set up the reaction role verification. So first and foremost of all, we will invite the Coralbot into the server. I am attaching the link below so that you can directly invite the Coralbot using that link. After inviting the bot into the server, now the bot is inside our server. One thing that you should keep in mind is that whenever a person enters and reacts to that emoji, he or she should get a role. So here I am going to create a new role named verified member, and it is the role that person will get whenever he or she reacts to that certain emoji. You can give any name to the role, but make sure that the Coralbot should be above the role of the verified member, because it is the Coralbot who will be assigning the role of the verified member. So it should be above this role. And talking about the permissions, to the verified member, make sure that the read text channels and see voice channels should be on, and at everyone role make sure that the read text channels and voice channels should be off. It is because whenever a person joins my server and reacts to that emoji, he or she will get the role of the verified member, and only he or she will be able to see all the text channels and voice channels. And whoever doesn't react will not get any role, and he or she will be marked as everyone and will not be able to see the text and voice channels. Now in the welcome channel I will be mentioning a message saying click on the white check mark to gain access into the server, and I will be highlighting it by making the sentence bold. Now why I am mentioning this message? Because whenever a person joins the server, they should be able to know that they need to react or click on the white check mark to verify themselves and gain access into the server. Now one more thing that you should keep in mind, that before proceeding for the further steps, make sure that the developer mode should be on for your profile. If it is not, you can go to the user settings and go to the appearance option, and inside that make sure to switch the developer mode on. If it is switched off, you will not be able to copy the ID of the message. Copying ID is very important because we want the Coralbot to know in which message we want to tag the reaction role. Now come to any another channel, mainly general channel or chats channel, and inside that type RR add, then the message ID that we copied, then the reaction emoji we want to set up, then the role name that we want to give once a person reacts to that emoji. Now this error will come if the Coralbot is unable to find the message ID. So to prevent this, we will again type RR add, but this time we will mention the channel from where we copied the ID. Here I am selecting the welcome channel. From there I copied the ID, then I will paste the ID, then the emoji I want to give. Here I am giving white check mark, then the role they will be getting after reacting to that emoji. Enter. Now you can see a message from Coralbot saying added white check marks to the role verified member. When I come to the welcome channel, you can see that a reaction is added by Coralbot. When I react to that, you can see that a verified member role is assigned to me, and when I unreact to that emoji, my role is removed. Now I don't want users from taking roles and removing that whenever they wish. So to prevent that, I will come to the general or chats channel again, and there I will type RR verify, then the message ID. I can see a message came that message is marked as verified. Now when I react to the emoji again, a role is assigned to me, and when I unreact to that, now you can see that the role is still there and it's assigned to me permanently. Now your verification channel is fully set. You can invite members into the server now, and now if you doesn't want others to see these commands, you can delete these messages, it doesn't matter. One thing that you should keep in mind is that whenever a person joins your server and if he is getting an auto role, and to that role if the see text and voice channels permission is on, then this verification system will not work for them. So guys, that's it. Now your verification channel is set. Now whenever a person joins, they will not be able to see any text and voice channels until and unless they verify themselves. If you have still any doubt, you can join my server and ask me anytime. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, and that's it. Thank you.